Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? So here it's me Shahbaz Hussain. So we are going to start the topic equation of line. So equation of line, the previous lesson we just calculate the equation of line by using two given points. Now we are going to explain the overall topic equation of line. So first I'm going to define you what is the types of equation of line. So first one type is the general form of equation of line, which is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is basically the linear equation in the general form. This is a straight line equation in the general form. And the second one is 2-point form. 2-point form means if you have 2 points, so you can directly apply this kind of formula. Here you can see that this is the formula of the gradient, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is the formula of the gradient. If you are going to find the equation of line and you have 2 points, first coordinate A and second point is B, so you can directly apply the points in this formula. The formula is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1. This one is m, basically the gradient. So we just directly apply the gradient here and we can calculate the equation of line within 2-3 steps. So by applying the 2 points we can calculate the equation of line easily. So this y and this x is the remains same in this whole solution. The y and the x, simple y and the simple x, will remain same in the whole solution. So this is the general short form of the equation of line by using 2-point form. Next, third form is point slope form. Point slope form means if there is a single point and a gradient is given, then you can use this kind of formula, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So if you have single point y1 or x1 and you have a slope m, so you can just directly write this equation and solve the equation of line by using this kind of equation by point slope form. And the fourth one is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form means if you given that the slope m is equals to 3, m is equals to 4, and y-intercept c is equals to 5, c is equals to 6, so you can directly write the equation y is equals to mx plus c. Here you just simply put the value of m and here you just simply put the value of c. So you can calculate the equation of line by applying the values slope and the intercept in the equation. So slope means the gradient and intercept means the y-intercept. Next, moving on. So these are the basic types of the equations which you can use in the certain questions to calculate the equation of line directly. So this is a slope point slope form, this is a slope intercept form, and the previous one, second one, is the 2-point form where we can apply simply direct the formula to calculate the equation of line. So moving on, we are going to solve a single question with these 3 types of the forms. So first one, question number 1, these are called classical questions. He said the write an equation by given these 2 points. The equation of line is passing through these points -1, -3, 2 or -1. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So this is going to solve with the 2-point form. So here we have to write the equation, general equation, y minus y1 equals to gradient y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So you just apply the values in the equation. Here is we have y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, and here we have x1. So when we calculate this kind of equation, we got 2-point form, which is y plus 3. This is -1 over 3 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So x plus 2 here. Now -1 plus 2 is 2, where 2 will multiply with these two numbers, which becomes 2 and 4, and 3 multiply with these numbers. Here is the I think the mistake in the typing. 3y plus 9 is equals to x plus 4, so it becomes 2x minus 3y minus 9 plus 4, so it becomes -5. Here we have a -5, here is -7. So this is the basically the general form of equation of line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So this is the equation of line. Next, moving on, we're going to solve this kind of equation with point slope form. Here we have a point and here we have a slope gradient. So we direct apply this value in this equation, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1 is minus 1, 2 or 3 is called m, x minus x1 is 2. So now we are going to calculate y plus 1 is equals to 2 or 3 times x minus 2. So it becomes 3y plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 2. So 2x minus 4, 3y plus 3 is equals to 2x minus 4. So it becomes 2x minus 3 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So the general equation is 2x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. Here you can see that we directly calculate within 2-3 steps the equation of line. Next, moving on, question number 3. So write an equation given the slope is the point slope form, slope and the intercept form. Previous one question is the point slope form, and this question is the slope intercept form. Slope intercept form means this value is the gradient and this is the intercept, y-intercept. If he gave us this value, the slope, the gradient and the y-intercept, how we can calculate the equation also? Just we write y is equals to mx plus c. We put the values of m and c in the equation. We can calculate this one. So when we took the LCM, which is 3 is moving to this side, so it becomes 3y is equals to 2x minus 7. So it is simple. If the values are given of values of m and c, so you can easily calculate the equation of straight line. It becomes 2x minus 3 y minus 7 equals to 0. So now you can see that, you can understand that if 2 points given, then you can how to calculate the equation of line. If a point and a gradient is given, then how could you calculate the equation of line? And if point and the slope, if y-intercept and the slope is given, then how you can calculate the equation of line? So these are 3 types of questions which will ask by the examiner. So you can easily calculate these questions. You can easily find the equation of line by using these equations. So this is the general overview of the equation of line. I hope you will understand this kind of questions. So thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.